Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back again to another video on Foxtecc. In this one, let's talk about blocking the international outgoing calls on your iPhone. Let me explain to you how it works and help you figure out the next steps. So let me get a few things straight. No matter which iPhone settings you browse, no matter if you're in the cellular menu, the phone app settings, or even in the screen time restrictions, you just won't find the ability to turn off the international calls. It's just not part of the iPhone system-based settings. Instead, you need a carrier-based solution. This is actually pretty simple, but it heavily depends on the carrier you use. Let me give you an example. The T-Mobile has this service available. You can see right here that they offer a feature for blocking outgoing international calls, even texts from your iPhone. So you can see right here their instructions on how to turn it on, saying that you need to call a specific number and tell them your issue and what you wish to turn on or off in terms of your SIM card. But you can see that it is completely doable, just not in your iPhone settings. Instead, as I mentioned, it's carrier-based. Naturally, I can't go through all the carriers in the world, but it's very likely that if you just give them a call and let them know what your issues it, that they will enable some sort of blocking feature for your device. So that's it for me. Please let me know below your carrier and if you manage to get it to work. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.